Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up Nintendo Switch parental controls. Since its debut with the NES in 1985, Nintendo has provided quality content and captivating gaming experiences for consumers of all ages. Today, the entertainment giant's flagship console is the Nintendo Switch. Now, even though the Switch is considered one of the safer gaming options for children, any type of online gaming device will always carry potential risks. Thankfully, with the help of Nintendo Switch parental controls, you can easily restrict its use. And in today's video, we're going to teach you how to use the Nintendo Switch parental controls without any trouble. So, what can the Nintendo Switch parental controls do for parents? Restrict your kids from accessing adult and inappropriate games or content. Restrict your kids from playing inappropriately violent games that are not appropriate for their age. Protect them from predators by controlling their interaction and also set time-based restrictions on the device. How to switch up the Nintendo Switch parental controls? Accessing the parental controls on the device is fairly easy. Simply follow these easy steps. Step 1. To start with, you simply have to go to the console settings. Out of all the provided options, select System Settings. Step 2. On the left panel, you can view all the different options, navigate to Parental Controls and select it. Step 3. From the right panel, choose to enable the Nintendo Switch parental controls. Step 4. You would be asked whether you wish to set up Nintendo parental controls using your smartphone or the console. Choose to enable controls via the console. Step 5. On the left, go to the Restriction Level feature. Here you can select the age of your kid, child, teen, and so on. Step 6. By selecting the age group, Nintendo will automatically filter age-appropriate content for your kids. In this way, you can set up the automatic Nintendo Switch parental controls. Step 7. Besides this, you can further customize the Nintendo parental controls as well. Right under this option, there is a feature of Custom Settings. Simply select it to continue. Step 8. Now, under the Restricted Software, you can manually restrict age-rated games for your kids. The rating starts from 3+ to 18+. Step 9. Go back and select the Software Rating Organization feature. This will let you select your region for game rating. Step 10. Also, you can enable or disable social media posting from here. By default, if you have restricted the age of 13 or below for your kids, then this feature will automatically be disabled. Step 11. If you don't want your kids to interact with other users, then you can go to Communicate with Others option and restrict it as well. Step 12. In the end, just set up a security pin to complete the setup. In this way, you can easily set up the Nintendo Switch parental controls and make sure your kids do not use your device against your will. Using mobile apps to set up parental control on Nintendo Switch. As you can see, the Nintendo Switch parental controls can also be enabled using your smartphone. To set up Nintendo Switch parental controls on your phone, you need to install a dedicated app developed by Nintendo on your device. Simply sign into your Nintendo account and verify it by using the restriction code. Now, from your smartphone, you can easily use its parental control features as well. You can also set up time-based restrictions on the console as well so that your kids won't get addicted to any game. FamiSafe, the best parental control and monitoring tool. Parental control is not limited to gaming consoles only. Parents should also make some effort to control the way kids use their other digital devices. And FamiSafe is one of the best parental control and monitoring softwares that you can use to keep a strict eye on your kids. The tool works on all Android, iOS, Fire OS, Windows, and Mac devices. From the real-time location of the device to its browsing activity, now you can monitor it all. For parents who are concerned about their kids' online safety, FamiSafe is a must-have. If you have any other ideas, please leave your comments below and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it for today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.